My dogs love cats.
This is disgusting. I can't believe you guys have me videotaping. My cat's in heat, people. And my dog finally thinks she's a boy. You'll find that out here in about 2 seconds. But she's female. She's not going to do anything if you tell her to do it. And there goes Felony. And yes, the kids are watching. I'm a horrible babysitter, Summer.
Now the cat must do it with the dog.
This is called Humping.
This is fucking ridiculous. If anybody wants this fucking cat, they can have it.
No, they can't.
Yes, they can.
No, they can't.
This is the gas cat.
Pump the gas.
There we go.
It's my cat, people.
Cat.
Don't say anything too crazy, Mikey. I'm videotaping.
6,500,000. Dog that makes puppies and fucking.
How about pup kitties? What would you think of that?
One more round, Felony.
Yeah, we'll be around to funness.
Oh, I guess they're gonna take it in Mikey's room.
Not if I move her back out here. Because as soon as I move her, you know, she goes crazy for it. And you go crazy.
And you
Yeah, there we go.
Mikey, you're crazy. Get the cat, Felony.
Get her. Get her. Come on, get the cat.
Get the cat.
Get the cat.
Get the cat.
Suck it, kid.
That's horrible.